Being in the small rural districts that we're in, we don't get a lot of extra money to spend on big projects and maintenance projects. We just try to do what we can with what we have.
Ryan Turner and his team up there, they saw the opportunity for the TVA Energy Right School Uplift program and said this is something we're going to try to get for our students.
The two goals of School Uplift, one is to reduce the utility cost of operating the schools so that they can redirect that funding back to educating students. And the second goal is to primarily improve the learning environment for the teachers and students.
When I got involved with the program, I seen that there was a lot of low to no cost things we could do to save money that would help us. So to have those people with TVA and those engineers helping us, it was just a resource to us to help us try to reach out and better understand what's going on with our school.
You'll recognize really quickly that all the other counties, a lot of them have leaned on Brian to understand how to achieve success in the program. And to see him, really help the other counties learn how to implement projects through the grants and operate their buildings more efficiently, he's been a great leader for the program.
The grant was for $400,000 to spend on energy saving upgrades. They sent an engineering firm in here to do an energy audit to make sure they sit down with us, they work with us, we walk the buildings.
For a number of years apparently they've had issues with a failing cooling tower. So a cooling tower is important. If you don't have a cooling tower, you're not going to have cool buildings in the summer. And they knew that was a very urgent need.
The whole high school runs on that. That's how we get air for the high school. So if the cooling tower goes down, the whole building's out air. The cooling tower we currently have is operating inefficiently. That's what TVA came in and found when they done the audit. That's one reason why they allowed us to do the cooling tower, because they knew it would be one of the biggest energy saving things we could do. What that uplift funding has done, it has freed up that money we were going to spend on the cooling tower to allow us to put more money into the roofs and doing other projects. So the goal is to make kids as comfortable as possible.
The beauty of the folks in these rural school districts is their dedication to try to make things better. You plow that back into infrastructure, into a rural school district, it's not only going to have effects right now, but it's going to have long-term effects.
My grandparents went to Bledsoe County High School, my parents went here, I went here, my kids are going to go here. I mean, this is my community, this is where I want to give back to, and I just want to make this place as best as possible for my kids and grandkids and future kids and all the kids of Bledsoe County.
You can quickly tell that he cares a lot about, the school system, a lot about the kids and trying to help.
When I started this program, Sequatchie Valley Electric was our electric provider and TVA was an electric producer. Now, after going through this program, they're partners with us.